is Pixel Recorder. If you have ever known about Google Pixel phones, you might well ever for this. On the latest iteration of their smartphone lineup, they have included this app in the phones inbuilt. This app isn't available officially in Play Store as of now, but it was developed by XDA Farms and XDA developer. So you need to download this app and sideload this app in your phones. So you can use it. I will leave a link in the description so that you can download it from there. One sad news to the app currently doesn't function with Xiaomi phones. So Xiaomi users, I'm sorry. Coming to the feature with this app, it lets you transcript live audio into text. Confused? Now you can see me doing this. It's not perfect, but it's 95% accurate. I can say that. Yes, it works even when you are running the app in background. Yes, great feature, very underrated. But I think Google should release these kinds of apps in Play Store. The app itself runs on AI, yes, and that can distinguish between music sounds and normal sounds, and many more. It is so intelligent that it can even know what you are speaking, like whether it's a question or a statement or a command. So you don't need internet connection, and your voice will not be shared to the cloud, which is a very safe factor. I find this app extremely useful while taking notes during the class hours. If you are in a complete English class, this app is a lifesaver for you. If the professor of your class uses mixed up languages, then this app will mess up. I would recommend this app for long note taking and if you want to send huge amounts of text to your friend. You might be wondering how different is this app from voice typing, which exists in almost every phone, right? To find out, definitely check this app out. It's super accurate. You will get used to this app once you start trying this. That being said, we come to the end of